grammar of MASAKA. The grammar of MASAKA is mean that there is no way. That's impossible. You must be joking, something like this. MASAKA. There is no way. That's impossible. You must be joking. Something that you can imagine, right? Something that happened that you never expect before, right? Just like a dream when you use the MASAKA. So in Japanese, when you use the grammar of MASAKA, you can use MASAKA with a negative clause. So you start by MASAKA and after MASAKA should be negative clause. Something like this. So the next, let's see some example of how to use the grammar of MASAKA. The first example, まさかそうなるとは思わなかった。まさかそうなるとは思わなかった。Which means, that's the last thing I expect. That's the last thing I expect. The next example, 僕はまさかそんなことはできないよ。僕はまさかそんなことはできないよ。Which means I could never do such a thing. I could never do such a thing. For the first sentence that you see that after MASAKA is そんな、そうなるとは思わなかった。That for the first sentence it means that something that happened but you never expect before. So it's just like a dream, right? So you can use まさかそうなるとは思わなかった。That you never expect before. And for the second sentence, 僕はまさかそんなことはできないよ。I could never do such a thing. That means that something that you never do before. You never do before. And you think another body cannot do. So you can say まさかそんなことはできないよ to another body that to explain the feeling from you that the way to do like that is no work because nobody do something like that, right? So you can use in the case like this. The next example, 私はまさかここで彼に会えるとは思わなかった。私はまさかここで彼に会えるとは思わなかった。Which means I never thought that I could see him here. I never thought that I could see him here. まさか鍵をなくしたのではないでしょうね。まさか鍵をなくしたのではないでしょうね。Which means you surely haven't lost the key. You surely haven't lost the key. For the first example, we see that まさかここで彼に会えるとは思わなかった。Is the situation that you never expect before that you come here and you will meet him, right? Or meet another body that you never expect before. So the situation like this, you can use まさかここで彼に会えるとは思わなかった。Right? You never thought that you meet him or meet her or see him, see her, right? But sometime, by chance, you come here and you meet or you see her, right? Or see him, see your friends. So we use the MASAKA that the situation that you never expect before, but it happened. And for the second sentence is use まさか鍵をなくしたのではないでしょうね。Which means there's something that you're not sure. you're not sure. This means that you are surely that your key will 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 not lost, but by chance, by some time, you never expect that your key will be lost, but you lost your key on the road or somewhere, right? So in a situation like this, you never expect before, so you can say, "Masaka kagi o nakushita no dewa nai desho ne?" Because you are not sure, right? And you're checking now. So you can say the situation like this. So to summarize about how to use the grammar of Masaka. Masaka you will use in the situation that you never expect that it will happen with you. For example, you never thought that one day you will be the millionaire, but by chance, sometimes you could be a millionaire that you never expect before. So you can use Masaka. Billionaire になることは思わなかった。Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。